And here we are, kids. We're back at the beginning of time, where men created walking sticks. Men created McDonald's. And it's so great to have all of you here. You know, kids, in addition to the wheel, peanut butter, chocolate syrup, anal beads, and fire, it's a little known fact that cavemen also invented ice hockey. Because his white guys in the Ice Age proved me wrong, motherfucker.
You know, in the Bible, the one thing they don't bring up is plumbing. Because they used to just shit on their hand.
There's no proof that the term, I got your back, didn't come from primitive men shitting in a circle. And that's your Dr. Jack fact of the day. Shitting in a circle. Genius. Oh!
Your lips, they're just the beginning of your butthole. Like, no one tells you that, but I'm gonna tell you that.
This is gonna look great on Facebook. Wash your hands! Fuck you, cavemen! That's evolution, bitches! What do we learn today, kids? We learned that cavemen are filthy, disgusting people. And I'm fucking glad that they're dead.
My toilet, I got a 12-inch hole. Like, I'll flush this shit sideways.